Good morning, dear students. So today we will continue the chapter factors and multiples. Okay. So in the last class we have done the activity 2 up to the 6th main. So today we will continue with the 7th main. So 7th main is complete the factor trees. Complete the factor trees. And they have given like this. Okay, so 2, 10 they have given, and they have given empty boxes here, empty circles. We have to fill up that. Okay, so how it can be done? So to complete the factor tree, we need to take so 2 into okay, so 2 into dash is equal to 210. So 2 in the 210 ಅನ್ನು divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ones are 2, so 1, so 1 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 0 ಹಾಕಿ, so 0 ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so 2 5s are 10, 0 0, isn't it? 105 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 105 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 105s are 210 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. 2 into 105 is equal to 210. ಸೊ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ 35 divided by how much? 35 ಇಂದ 105 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 35, ಸೊ heads are 35 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 2 into, okay, 35, so 3s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 3s are 9, 10, 105. So 35 3s are 105. Then so this is 3 as it is we have to put. So because so 3 ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 1 3s are 3 1s are, okay. So 35 ಗೆ 5 7s are 35 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is how we have to fill up the circles. In the same way, another factor tree is there, second one. So here they have given empty circle, okay. So they have given here ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84, isn't it? So then 2 as it is, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 21 2s are 42, then ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So then 3 7s are 21, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 7 3 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, it is a so prime number, isn't it? So we got this factor tree. Like this we need to so identify the empty circles of the factor tree. So then the next problem is, so find, 8th main is find the prime factorization of the following numbers by factor tree method. 8th question. So first one I will take factor tree method. They were asked 48 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. factor tree method ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so first we need to take the smallest number. First we need to take the smallest number 2. So 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 24s are 48, 2 24s are 48. So again 2 is there, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 12s are 24. So then so 2 6s are 12, then so 2 3s are 6, isn't it? Like this we need to ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is how we can do the factor tree method. In the same way, so in the same way we have to do all the problems. Let me show you some other 2 problems in this main. So in the 8th main, factor tree method of 200. So factor tree method of 200, if I take, so 200s are, so then 250s are, then 225s are 50, then 5 5s are 25. So ultimate, so this is 5 into 5. We then we cannot do further. So this is how prime factorization is identified, is done, so with the factor tree method. In the same way for 450, so I will take 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, so 2 5s are 10. So 225s are 450, okay. So 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 2s are 4, it is correct. So then I need to do so by 5, because the in ones place 5 is there, so I need to take 5 only. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So 5 45s are 225. 5 fours are, so 5 fives are 25, 2 carry, 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. In the same way, 5 nines are 45. So then again 3 threes are 9. So I got the prime factorization by factor tree method like this. So in the same way you have to do all the problems of so 8th main. Okay, so then we will see the 9th main. Then we will see the 9th main. So that is, find the prime factorization of the following numbers using division method. They have asked to do in the division method. Let us do. So 9th main. So first problem by division method. Okay. So by division method, how we have to do? So here the ones place has 5, number 5. That's why it should be, so it should come in a multiple of 5 only. So 5 nines are 45. So then, so otherwise the first lower number we will take. So 3, from 3 we will take 3 ones are 3, 1 carry 15, 3 fives are 15, 3 15s are 45. So then 3 fives are 15. So 3 into 3 into 5 is the prime factorization of 45. In the same way, so we have many more problems are there. I will take other 2 problems within this. So how to do in a long division method? How to find out the prime factorization by long division method? So 112. So here ones place 2, it has 2. That's why 2 table I will take. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So it is 10, 1 carries over here. So 12, 2 6 are 12. In the same way again the even number is there. It will go with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 2 16, I 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. So 7 1s are 7, 1 7s are 7 are the prime number. So that's why we have the prime factorization of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, so like that. So let us take this one, 168. It also has the even number in the ones place. I will take 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So it odd number is there, 2 in the hogadilla matte. So 3 7s are 21. So again it doesn't go with any number. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of the number 168. So this is how you should do all the problems with this long division method. Ee taradinda madbeku. Okay. So then we will move on to the next. Then we will move on to next one. That is activity 3. Activity 3. Let us move to the activity 3. The first main. If you see the first main, find the common factors of the following numbers, then find their HCF. First we need to find out the common factors and then we need to find their HCF. So common factors of 20. First we need to write factors of 20 and then factors of 45. First we have to write the factors of both. Okay. So factors of 20 are 1 20s are 20, 2 10s are 20. So in 3 table it doesn't come. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So in 6 7 it doesn't go with anybody. So then 45 you take 145s are. So then it doesn't go with 2 3 15s are. So then 4 5 9s are. Okay. So like this it goes. So the common factors are, so the common factors from these two are 1. Okay. So and then 5, 1 and 5, isn't it? So 1 and 5. So the common factors of 20 and 45 are 1 and 5. When we are going to take the HCF, highest common factor, we should do 1 into 5. That is 5 is the highest common factor. Like this we should do. Okay. First we need to find the factors of each number and then we need to find out the common factor among these. So and need to find a highest common factor by multiplying, by taking the common of each number and multiplying. Okay, so 5 is the highest common factor so of this. So next, so another problem I will do from this main, 72 and 48. If I take 72 and 48, factors of 72 I should write. Factors of 72. 1 72s are 2 3s are 6. So 1 2 6s are 12. 2 36s are. So 3 if I take 3 2s are 6. So 1 3 4s are 12. 3 24s are. Okay. So then so 4. Okay. 4 is there. 4 1s are 4. 3 4 8s are 4 8s are 18 4s are. Okay. So 18 4s are, then it doesn't go with a 5 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 allu hogutte. 6 and 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 12 6 are. Okay. So like this it go with these numbers. 1 2 3 4 6 12 18 24 36 72 ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 48 ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಸೊ 1 48s are 48. ಸೊ 2 2s are 4 2 4s are 8. So 3 1s are 3 3 6s are 18. 3 16s are 48. 4 12s are, isn't it? So then 6 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. 6 8s are, isn't it? So like that it has a factor of 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. So if I take the common factor, 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ, 6 ಇದೆ, 12 ಇದೆ, so then 24 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1 2 3 4 6 12 24. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 24 is the highest common factor among this. 24 is the highest common factor so among this. Okay, so like this, so we can do the so other problems to find out the so HCF. So then in the next main, so find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So if I do the prime factorization method, so 25 and 40, 25 ಮತ್ತೆ 40 ಗೆ prime factorization ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, okay, so the ending number is 5, isn't it? So I will go with the 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 2s are 4, so 0. 2 20s are. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 25 ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 2 10s are. So then if I take so 2 again, so 2 5s are. So then it will go only with the 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So then it will go only with the 5. So like this. So this is a prime factorization method. So I did for both at a time. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು 40 ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ, 36 ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ, 84 ಒಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 24 ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೊ 40ಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 as an answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 into 5, so 200. Okay, so 200 is the answer. So and when we take the next problem, 81 117, 81 into and 117. So if I take this, I have to take the table of 3 because ಎರಡೂ odd number ಇದೆ. 3 2s are 6, 2 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 3 7s are 21, 3 27s are 81. So 3 3s are 9, 2 ಉಳಿತು, 3 9s are 27. So 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So these are prime numbers, so we cannot do that. So prime factorization. Okay, so this is the prime factorization where we got 3 into 3 into 9 into 13. Okay, So this is the prime factorization by prime factorization done with the number. This product can be done. 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 13. 13 1s are 13. 1 carry 13 8s are. Okay. So 104, 105. So this is the prime factorization of of 81 and 117. Okay. So in the next class we will continue with the next main, that is third main in activity 3. Thank you dear students. So let us meet in next class.